Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 21-day boss up challenge. So basically this challenge is going to be about you and I bossing up. That's right, we're going to level up in any area and aspect of our lives. So I decided to do this 21-day challenge because the past weeks I've been focusing on my studies, I've been focusing on my schoolwork. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know what's been popping, and I'm finally done with my exams and I'm here for you guys full time. So I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna challenge myself to be consistent for the next 21 days. Not only consistent in posting my YouTube videos, but also being consistent in terms of how I lead my daily life activities. This is from the time that I wake up, the time that I sleep, meaning my sleeping schedule, and when I exercise, the exercises that I do, how many glasses of water I drink a day, and how many chapters of a book I will be reading. Honestly, I haven't stopped reading even though I'm still focusing on my studies, because reading is the most important thing that you can ever do. So even if there are times whereby you are really busy or demotivated, continue to read or listen to audiobooks, because this still enhances your knowledge, it still enhances your skill, and when you're ready to actually get back into the game, you will do very well. But before I get into this challenge, I want to say thank you so much to my consistent subbies and viewers. I see you guys, and I also see you guys in the comment section, and I want to say I appreciate you so much, because each time you guys view my videos, each time you guys are consistent on my YouTube channel, I will be able to grow, and that means that I can reach more people and I can help more people, and we can all grow together. So this makes me so happy to see the consistency from you guys. Anyway, getting back to the actual video. So the reason I said a 21-day challenge obviously is specific and is on point. I chose 21 days because I'm not even really sure if it was proven scientifically, but I know for a fact that even with affirmations, or you want to manifest something, or you want to start a new habit, you have to be consistent with it for 21 days. And if you can follow through for 21 days consistently, then you will definitely be able to make this a daily habit that is part of who you are. Every single day we have habits that we repeat, that we are consistent in, but are these good habits or bad habits? So with this challenge, we're going to challenge ourselves to actually focus on the good habits so that we can grow as people in any aspect. By any aspect, I mean this can be your educational aspect. You want to improve in your studies, you want to be a consistent learner in terms of what you're studying, or it can be with your body goals. You want to be consistent in gym, you want to be consistent in your diet, in whatever body that you want to achieve. It can be your financial goal, it can be being consistent in how you spend on a daily basis, how you think of your finances, or how you think of money. If you want to get richer, you want to be consistent in the type of mindset that you have when you think of money, the type of frequency that you have when you think of money. So whatever it is that you want to improve yourself in, we are going to work on this for 21 days. So me specifically, I am going to work on more successful producing habits. By this I mean I want to learn to wake up on time every single day, because guys, I have this really crazy habit of setting an alarm and never waking up on the time that I've set that alarm. And this is, it's a very bad habit, and I've gone to a point whereby if I want to wake up at like 6 a.m. I would set an alarm for 5 a.m. so that I can just turn off that alarm and then just go back to sleep until I'm like, oh no, I gotta go, and I'm usually on time. But I want to practice the habit of setting a particular time and respecting that time. One of the other habits that I want to have is consistency in working out. Like, my body is so it's very adaptable, meaning if I exercise and I work in a particular part of my body for just a week, I will see results. But because I'm not consistent and I never go on for months or weeks at least, then those results are not as amazing as I need them to be. So another thing that I'll be adding on to my 21-day boss up challenge is my workouts. I'm not so worried about my diet. Honestly, at this point in my life, I can eat absolutely anything I want. I don't understand, guys. Like, I don't know what voodoo this is, but I eat absolutely anything. So because I've been trying to gain weight, which I kind of have, I bought these supply pills, whatever. I might as well vlog my experience on that, but for now we're focused on the 21-day challenge, and I'm going to be taking those, and I'm going to be taking my shakes and eating all my meals and working out extra hard so that I can get that body goal. And that's for the next 21 days. Obviously I'm gonna have like which I'm working on now, because remember, this is not day 1, this is day 0. Day 1 begins tomorrow. A specific flow chart as to which exercises I do on which particular days, and yeah, I'll definitely add those in my weight gain journey, and that I will also share after 21 days, because this will also show you, I want to show you guys, I want for you guys to see that 21 days are not as underestimated as they are. They are much more impactful in your life than you think they are. So another thing that I also want to add onto my 21 days is being consistent with my YouTube videos. I'm definitely not going to be posting on a daily basis, but I have a schedule that I've already worked on. I've already worked on the content that I want to post, and I will be posting that content for the next 21 days. I will be consistent, meaning for the next 3 weeks I will be consistent on the schedule that I've set up for myself, and I will definitely post all those videos and record all those videos and edit them diligently. You guys know that I always do a lot of research on all of my videos. There is not one video that I post that is not informative and full of value, and I really do that very intentionally, because I want you guys to go off my YouTube channel and feel like, damn, I have learned a lot from that girl, and that is my goal, and that will always be the end goal. So those are some of the things that I'm going to boss up in the next 21 days. I want you guys to comment down below, what are the things that you are going to boss up in the next 21 days. Guys, I want us to go through this challenge together. You know the thing whereby you like have a gym partner and then you push, and then when you're alone, you're like tired, you're lazy, and the exercises are too hard. Or when you like have a study buddy, you can push for like 3 full hours, but when you do it alone, you're thinking, ugh, I think I need a break. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to go through this challenge together. So it's very important that you comment down below what your challenge is. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I've already posted a lot of information about this challenge. Obviously not as much information as we are discussing now in the video, because my followers always come and watch my YouTube videos, and I'm so grateful for that, you guys. Again, like I said, the more you guys watch my videos, like, share and comment, I am able to grow, and when I grow, I get to reach more people, I get to help more people, and I get more insight from more people, because some of the comments that you guys put in my comment section are so amazing, and that is why I reply to each and every comment that is put in my videos, because I learn so much from you guys. So if you're not following me yet on my Instagram page, you better do, because I'm going to do this thing whereby every 3 days I'm going to check up on you guys, to check up on your progress on the 21-day challenge, to see if you still remember that you're in the flipping challenge to begin with. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video till this far. It shows that you want to grow, that you want to learn. I just want to say that please make sure that in the next 21 days you affirm. This is a great way to also grow in your life without even really trying, that you go on YouTube, search affirmations and affirm on a daily basis, either in the mornings or the evenings, or even both, which is much better than doing it once a day, whereby you listen to affirmations and you repeat these affirmations to yourself and you believe them for the next 21 days, so that you can see a great amount of growth happening in your life and in the areas that you have always wanted to improve. Another thing that I want to advise is that please make sure that every single day you read a book. If you don't have any tangible books, you can download them online. You can subscribe to an ebook blog thingy-majiggy and get a book that you want to read. Make sure it's a book about personal growth, a book about you yourself as an individual and how to be a better version of yourself. Also, if you can't get an ebook or a tangible book to actually page through and read, you can always listen to audiobooks on YouTube, and these actually are quite nice for people that don't like to read, because the book is read in a short amount of time, and so you don't have to spend as long reading as you can just listening to the audiobook. I personally love reading my books. I love reading hard copies actually, and I think I can finish a book in about 7 hours or so, depending on how many pages. I'm really trying to read faster. I want to get to a level whereby I can read like many books in a week, like at least 3 books. And right now it's just 1, because I don't get to just sit a whole 7 hours a day reading. I have many things to do in that particular day. But if I can get to a point whereby I can read 3 books in a week, you guys, maybe I should boss up that too. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share, hit the share button. You want to share this with your friends, challenge them, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box below, so that you can tag me in your challenge, and so that when I do the live videos to check up on my people as to how the challenge is going, and I post tips on a daily basis on my Instagram stories, you are there to see them, so that you don't miss any little bit of this challenge. I'm super duper excited about this, and I can't wait to see you guys in a few days to see, well, basically to vlog how my challenge is going, but more importantly in 21 days, so that you guys can tell me how it went, and I can also come back with results. Thank you babies so much for watching my video. See you in the next upload. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.